Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the small Phillips, flat pry tool, and T20 Torx. This saves time during the swap. Once ready, sit in the driver's seat and switch the ignition off, making sure airbags are inactive if your car requires it. Remove any visible screws at the hinge cover while supporting the visor with your free hand so it won't drop. As you loosen fasteners, pay attention to which hole they came from and keep them organized for reassembly. Now focus on separating the visor from the headliner. Insert the flat pry tool into the hinge seam and lever gently to release the clip. You should feel a soft pop. If the visor has a light, press the wiring tab and pull the connector straight out to avoid bending pins. Keep your hand under the visor while freeing clips so it won't fall. Once detached, inspect retained clips and screw holes for damage. Take note of any crack tabs before moving to installation. To finish, reconnect any illumination wiring and align the visor hinge with its mounting points. Press firmly until the clip snaps back into place and you hear engagement. Once seated, thread screws by hand to ensure correct alignment, then tighten snugly. Avoid over-tightening, which can crack plastic. Test visor pivot through its range and switch the mirror light on to confirm electrical reconnection. If the visor feels loose or the light fails, check connector seating and screw torque. A common fix is reseating the plug and red-tightening fasteners.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.